Hello, welcome to the Random Car channel. Today we're going to be changing the rear gear fluids for a 2016 GLA45 Mercedes. So this maintenance item is something you do at 10,000 miles, 30,000 miles, and every 20,000 miles afterwards. Alright, so first step in doing this service is getting the rear up. So I got mine up on the quick jack. You can use jack stands or those ramps that you drive up on. Whatever would help you get you under the car to work on that. And of course, if you lift the car up, you gotta support it securely with jack stands or some sort. Let's get under the car. Let's get under the car and get started here. Okay, so we're under the rear of the car. You can see the exhaust system. Here's the rear differential, axles, and so this side, here's the fill plug. This is on the driver's side. Has a hex bolt, so I have a 5mm round wrench here. Okay, so here's the fill plug. Here's the drain plug, and pretty simple, just drain it and fill up here. So whenever you do differential fluid changes, it's always recommended to first remove the fill plug before you remove the drain plug. Main reason being that if you're able to drain this and for some reason you're unable to open the fill plug, then you're going to be stuck here. So make sure you can open the fill plug before the drain. Alright, so let's remove the fill plug. So I have a 5mm, what do you call it? Hex wrench? Allen wrench? So let's open up the fill plug first. Next, we remove the drain plug. Okay, so this is done draining. The book says to turn the wheels 5 times. The book says turn the wheels 5 times in a single direction on both sides, and nothing happened. I didn't have any more drainage or anything. Okay, so replace the washer and plug it back up. Put the screw back on. The book says 15 Newton meters. That's about 10 to 11 foot-pounds, so not too tight. It's a very small screw, so you don't need that much torque on these. Okay, so time to fill it up. So I'm going to use my pump. Use a pump and use some gear fluid. So it's going to need about less than a liter of it. I believe it's like 3/4 of a liter, so not much oil. And probably that's the main reason why it needs such often oil changes, is just because it doesn't have much fluid capacity in the gear. Filled it until it's overflowing, so we just wait for the excess oil to come out and put the plug back on. Okay, so that was the rear diff fluid change for a 2016 Mercedes GLA45. Again, pretty easy job. just drain and fill. Alright, so thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, and put any questions in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your next project.